You're like, this chick's crazy.
No, you're not the first one. Everybody records. Alright, let's go.
This is so cool. I mean, not that I want to do it again, right? But my brother-in-law even came. I'm gonna go with you just so we could take out the pins. That's loco.
There we go.
I have to wash my hands. Look at this. It's horrendous.
Alright. Just go ahead and get an X-ray.